Hi, I'm Corbin Anderson. I'm a junior electrical engineering student and the current president of the TCU branch of Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEEE as we call it for short. If you're watching this video, you might be wondering what our organization does, what we're about, and what we offer our members. I'm here to help answer some of those questions. For starters, IEEE at TCU is a much smaller part of a very large organization. Out in the world, IEEE holds conventions, they do publications, they set rules and guidelines, and they also organize educational professional events in the engineering, technology, and computing world. One of their main focuses is on educating the public on what really goes on in the engineering and tech world. This is where IEEE at TCU gets a lot of its values, except the way that we go about them is a little bit more zoomed in, it's a little bit more local. I like to say that IEEE is an organization with its members in mind. We try to provide opportunities for professional and academic development, as well as making connections within engineering. Now, that being said, while we are a majority engineering student organization, we are not exclusive to only those studying engineering. And if you're in a related field, like STEM, we encourage your involvement as well. Now, you might be wondering some of the events that we hold. Each semester, IEEE tries to hold a guest speaker event. These events typically look like a catered lunch along with a speaker who is an active engineer in a local company. Along with this, we also do academic kind of focused events, study sessions. These can be small with a handful of members with snacks provided, or a little bit larger with catering provided. Events like those happen a little bit more around finals, where we want to provide an environment where you can unwind and grab a meal without having to go out of your way. IEEE at TCU also does outreach events. One of our main outreach events includes bringing volunteers and circuit kits to a local high school, typically Pascal High School, and doing a short presentation and allowing for some high school physics students to get some hands-on experience with engineering, and even work with equipment that we use within the first year of engineering studies at TCU. Other events that IEEE has participated in the past include robotics competitions and energy competitions, which are always a possibility depending on the interest of our membership. Along with all of this, we've been working hard to try to come up with some online activities that will allow our members to connect with others in engineering during a time of social distancing. For everyone watching, thank you for taking an interest in IEEE. I hope that I get a chance to meet you. And remember 3 things. 1, mask up. 2, social distance. And 3, and most importantly, go Frogs.